In this class, we will discuss about exercise 6.2 lines and angles. What about these questions? Observe, in figure, AB is parallel of CD. We are having two lines AB and CD. Both are what? Parallel. It is given in the question. AB1 what? Parallel to CD. Clear? Now angle APQ. APQ, it means this angle is what? 50 degree. One angle we are having, this one is what? 50 degree. It is given in the question. An angle PRD, it means this angle is what? 127 degree. It is given in the question. In the questions, what we are having? Two angles. One is this one is what? 50 degree. This angle we are having 50 degree and one is this one. This angle we are having what? 127 degree. Find x and y. We want to find values of x and y. So how we will find? Observe. First we should write given things what we are having in this question. So given what we are having in the question, AB is parallel of CD. This is the given in the question. Another one, angle APQ, and it is given what? 50 degree. And another thing, one angle also we are having, angle PRD, and this is what? PRD, and this is what? 127 degree. Now we want x and y. How we will find values of x and y? First observe. Now AB and CD both are what? Parallel lines. Clear? And this is what? PQ. PQ is what? One transversal. Don't observe this one. Observe only PQ. AB and CD are two parallel lines and PQ is a transversal. And what its meaning? It means this angle will be equal to this one. We are having two parallel line. PQ is a transversal. It means this angle and this angle will be equal. Why? It means x will be the 50 degree. That one is the answer. Why? Because this one and this one are what? Alternate interior angle. Or we studied alternate interior angles will be what? Equal. So by observing we obtain the result of this one. What? This is 50, it means this will be what? 50. Only write how AB is parallel of CD. So what we can say? Angle APQ will be equal to angle P will be equal to what? Angle PQ, this one, PQR. Clear? And both will be equal. Why? Because both are what? Two parallel lines are there. One transversal will be PQ and this angle will be equal to this one. Why? Because alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles. Both are what? Alternate interior angles. So now I am putting the values. We are having in the question angle APQ will be what? It is given what? 50 degree. So I am putting 50 degree and this is what? Angle PQR. PQR is what? X. So finally what we can say? X will be equal to what? 50 degree. This will be our answer we want. Find x and y. So we obtained the first answer. Easy one. Two parallel lines and this is the transversal. Obviously this angle will be equal to this one. Why? Because both are what? Alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles will be what? Equal. Clear? Now we want y. So how we will find the angle of y? We are having different ways, but we studied one properties of the triangle. This is what? PQR is what? Triangle. PQR what? Triangle. In the properties of the triangle we studied what? Exterior angle. This is what? PR. Once we increase this side, then this is what? Exterior angle of this triangle. So this exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles of a triangle. Observe what this is. This is the triangle and this is the exterior angle of this triangle, and this will be, we studied the one property of a triangle, this will be what? This exterior angle will be sum of interior angles of a triangle. So by using that property we can find the answer of y. So what we can say, angle PQR of that triangle, PQR means this angle, plus angle QPR, it means this angle, PQR, this angle, QPR, it means this angle. Sum of both angles will be equal to, these two angles are opposite of this exterior angle and they are what? Interior angle. So sum of opposite interior angles will be equal to the exterior angle, and exterior angle will be what? PRD. It is given in the question, PRD. And why we are writing this one? We can say exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles of a triangle. What? One property we are having in the triangle, once triangle having exterior angle, then exterior angle will be equal to sum of interior opposite angle of a triangle. This angle will be equal to sum of interior opposite of this one will be what? These two angles. These two angles will be what? Interior opposite angle of this exterior angle. So we can say this angle plus this angle equal to this one. So now I am writing PQR is what? X, plus QPR, this is what? Y, and angle PRD, it is given in the question, PRD, it is what? 127 degree. Now we obtain the value of the, put value of x, put x equal to 50 degree, we obtained, we will put, then what we are getting, 50 plus y equal to 127 degree. Clear? Then solve this one. Y will be equal to what? 127 degree minus 50, x is what? 50. So finally when we subtract, what we are getting? 7. Now 12 minus 5 will be what? 7 plus 5 will be 12, 77 degree. So what we can say, value of y will be 77 degree. This will be the answer for angle y. Clear? X will be 50 degree. Again observe what we want. We want the values of x and y. This is the triangle and we want the values of x and y. So given in the, we are having in the question, this line is parallel to this line and this will be the transversal. It means this angle, we are having this angle, so this will be equal to this one. Why? Because both will be what? Alternate interior angles. We obtained x by observing. Now we require this one. We are having one property in a triangle, what? Exterior angle. So this triangle having this exterior angle, so that one is equal to what? Sum of both angles. Why? This is the property of a triangle. So x plus y will be what? 127. We obtained the value of x, put this value there, automatically once we transpose and solve for the y, we are getting what? 77 degree. It means this is 50 degree and this is what? X equal to what? 50 degree, and this will be what? 77 degree. And sum of both, once we add both, 77 plus 50, 50 will be what? 7, 7 plus 5, 12. It means sum of both will be what? 127 degree. It means our result, whatever we obtained, x and y values, will be the correct. Why? Because sum of both will be equal to this one. It means that property is correct, and we obtained result of the x and y will be the correct. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.